Hello and welcome to a 5-minute tutorial that will let you get more views on YouTube. First of all, open Python, a new file, and type in from Selenium. First of all, install Selenium, open the run window with Windows and R, and type in cmd. Then pip install Selenium, and now it's going to install Selenium. I already have it installed. From Selenium, import Webdriver. You're going to have to install the Webdriver from the link in the description. Make sure it's the same version as the Google version you're using. Then driver 1, or actually first, driver 1, actually we're going to do that later, equals the path, so webdriver.chrome, and then the path to where you installed it. Executable underscore path equals, and then the path, mine is in downloads. I already pasted this before the video, so to save time. And make sure all the slashes should be like this, should be forward slashes like these, not like these. And also define the exe, so chrome driver.exe. Then driver1.get. This here should be the link to the video. You should make the user decide what the link should be, so x equals input at the beginning, and here just write the statement, insert link, driver.get x, so x is a variable now. Then you should want this to refresh the page every 30 or so seconds, so you get more views. Every 30 seconds you get one view. So while this is true, while true, every 30 seconds, I'm just gonna make it 5 seconds right now, so when I test it you can see and we don't have to wait 30 seconds. Driver1.refresh. And we also have to import time, so from time import sleep, and this should work now. Okay, let's test it. F5, we have to save it. Let's save it on desktop, free views, save. Now let's run it. Link to the video, I already have it here, copy and paste, and now click enter. Now it's opening this, as you can see, and it opened the video. Now in 5 seconds the page should refresh. Let's see. All you have to do is, sometimes it asks you to, if you want to sign in or not always, but if it does you have to click no thanks, otherwise you don't have to click anything else. Oh, it asked us, so no thanks. And oh, this is so laggy. Anyway, I agree. And now, as you can see, the video is opening. Let's wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, it refreshed. Oh yeah, because we were on the page longer than the video. So just close it, and you can close all of this. And now to make it into an executable, just close this, just copy, cut it, make a new folder. Let's name it free views. Then just paste it in, Control V. Okay, then install py installer the same way you installed, so pip install py installer. After that, I already have it, so just type in cd and then the path, so just copy it quickly, enter, then type in py installer line F, capital F, and then freeviews.python. Let's see, that's the name. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now it's creating, as you can see, a lot of other files. You shouldn't delete any of them. And the executable should be in the file dist. So the executable should be here. Is it completed? It should say successful. Okay, successfully. So the executable should be here. Oh yeah, that's right. It usually gives us a virus alert, so just click allow, and your executable should be in here anyway. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe.